We all know how expensive ads can get during the holidays, right? And if you're just starting out, it can feel impossible to compete with the giant brands out there. Honestly, you might be right. But here's the thing, you don't need to spend a fortune on ads to grow your list and maximize holiday sales. Welcome back to the Inbox to Income podcast, where we discuss all things email marketing for your e commerce store. My name is Liesel, and in today's episode, we're diving into 5 actionable strategies to grow your email list before the holidays without breaking the bank. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to get more signups and create list building strategy that delivers results this season. But let's start with the why. Ever heard the saying, the money is in the list? It's true. In the beginning of my e-commerce journey, I didn't understand how important an email list was. I didn't realize it could be the difference between just surviving and thriving. It took some tough lessons and missed opportunities before I saw that email isn't just another marketing channel. It's a lifeline, especially during the holidays. Why though? Social media feeds are noisier than ever. Ad costs are through the roof and competition is fierce. But your email list, it's your quiet corner of the internet, a space that's entirely yours. And while others are battling for ad space, you're in your customers' inboxes ready to connect. And here's the best part, growing your list doesn't have to cost a fortune. I'm going to go over some free strategies that you can implement to grow your list right away. Let's start with your website. Your website is your first attempt and maybe your best opportunity to capture leads. And yes, I'm talking about pop ups. I know you hate them, but the reality is statistics show they work. And if you don't have one on your site, you are really missing out on getting people on your list so you can nurture them and take them from browsing to buying. Here's an example from my client Jen's business. Right now, our pop up is a Find Your Perfect Sign quiz, and it's converting at an incredible 42.52%. In the last 30 days alone, 889 people have started the quiz, 378 entered their email addresses, and that led to 11 orders with a total value of $1,400. Are you really going to look that money in the eye and say bye? Here's the kicker though. Those orders came directly from the nurturing flow attached to the quiz. The takeaway? Pop-ups aren't just annoying interruptions, they can be powerful tools for connecting with your audiences if used correctly. So make sure your pop-up offers something irresistible. A quiz is so fun and people really love engaging with them. A discount might work for your specific business or a holiday specific guide. And don't forget to activate that teaser button in Klaviyo so people can reopen the pop-up if they change their minds later. Small tweaks like this can make a huge difference. Next, I would like to talk about lead magnets. These are such a fun way to engage your audience, especially during the holidays. And here's the thing, it doesn't always have to be directly tied to your product. For example, our audience is made up of homeowners who value curb appeal. We sell personalized house signs, but a great holiday lead magnet for us might be a quick video tutorial on a 10-minute front porch holiday makeover. If you throw in some Amazon shopping links, and boom, you've created something helpful and shareable. Think about your audience's needs and create something they'll genuinely find valuable, whether it's the guide, a checklist, or even a simple video. The key is to make their holiday prep easier, faster, or more fun. The third thing is social media. This is your best friend when it comes to list building, especially if you don't have a big ad budget. I know the ROAS on social media might not always feel that great, but if you promote your lead magnet consistently, there is still great opportunity for list growth. But here's a cool tip you might not be using yet. ManyChat automations. You can set up an automation where followers comment a word like holiday on your post, and ManyChat sends them the link to your holiday themed lead magnet right in their DMs. It's seamless, it's easy, and it's super engaging. You can also use Instagram storage with the link sticker to drive signups, or create reels that tease your holiday emails with trending audio sounds. Remember to use the comment word, so your keyword, so that ManyChat can send them the link directly. The goal is to show your audience why signing up is a no-brainer, like early access to deals, exclusive discounts, or even sneak peeks of your holiday products. And then finally, I want to talk about partnerships. Collaborating with complementary brands is a great way to grow your list and tap into a new audience. For example, if you sell handmade jewelry, you could partner with a boutique that offers unique holiday accessories. Together, you could create a holiday bundle or giveaway. You should audit and optimize your website sign up options like pop ups and embedded forms. Two, consider creating a holiday themed lead magnet that meets your audience's needs. Remember, you can reuse this year after year. Number three is to use social media to drive signups with tools like ManyChat and Instagram stories. Number four is to collaborate with complementary brands to expand your reach. And number five is to engage with your existing subscribers to encourage referrals. Remember, every new subscriber is a step closer to a more profitable holiday season without having to rely on expensive ads. And if you're ready to dive deeper, check out my blog post for even more details and examples. And as always, keep building that list because it truly is the gift that keeps on giving. Until next time, my friend, just hit send.